Hello and welcome to Look Back, Look Ahead. I'm Frank Calderone. Last week, ending November 11th, it was a very good week for stocks as all of the major indexes gained nicely. For the week, the Dow was up 4.1%, the S&P up close to 6%, and the Nasdaq up over 8%. A major factor for the upside was a softer than expected CPI report for October. The Consumer Price Index, or CPI, increased a less than expected 0.4%, 7.7% year over year. CPI excluding food and energy increased a less than expected 0.3%, 6.3% year over year. Initial jobless claims increased by 7,000 to 225,000 for the week, ending November 5th. And consumer sentiment numbers were much weaker than expected. Consumer sentiment decreased to 54.7 from 59.9 in October. The 1 year ahead expected inflation increased from 5% in October to 5.1%, while the 5 years ahead expected inflation increased to 3% in November from 2.9% in October. Year to date, the Dow is down 7.1%, the S&P down 16.2%, and the Nasdaq is down 27.6%. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury bond fell to 3.82%. Oil closed at $88.86 a barrel. Gold closed at $1,765.10 an ounce, with silver closing at $21.58 an ounce. For this week of November 14th, Tuesday we'll get real household debt, real mortgage debt, and the Producer Price Index final demand data. Wednesday, retail sales, the Import Price Index, industrial production, business inventories, and the Home Builders Index all will be reported. Thursday, we'll get initial jobless claims, building permits, housing starts, and the Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index. And on Friday, existing home sales and the leading economic indicators will be reported. A leading indicator is a measurable set of data that may help to forecast future economic activity. GDP, the Consumer Price Index, and interest rates are a few leading economic indicators. And as always, we'll keep a watchful eye on these and any other events that may and will shape the markets. In the meantime, be diversified with your investments and always know what you own in your portfolio. If you have any questions pertaining to your portfolio or anything you've heard in this video, give me a call. This is Frank Calderone from Raymond James in New York. Have a fantastic week. Be well, stay safe, and remember, always look ahead.